Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Indian Health Diary. In today's video, we are going to check out 10 health benefits of cumin seeds. So let's start with the introduction. Cumin seeds, also known as jeera, have been used for centuries as a spice in cooking and for their medicinal properties. These tiny seeds are packed with numerous health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. In this video, we will explore 10 incredible benefits of cumin seeds on human health. So let's start with it. First point, rich in antioxidants. Cumin seeds are an excellent source of antioxidants that help combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants protect cell from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Our second health benefit is it improves digestion. Cumin seeds aid digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. They can alleviate common digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. Additionally, cumin seeds have carminative properties which help prevent the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract. Now let's see the third health benefit. Third health benefit is boost immunity. The presence of essential nutrients including vitamin A, vitamin C and iron in cumin seeds strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption of cumin seeds can help the body fight off infections, reduce the severity of symptoms and speed up the recovery process. The fourth health benefit is supports weight loss. Cumin seeds can aid in weight loss due to their ability to boost metabolism. They contain compounds that increase the production of digestive enzymes, resulting in improved digestion and enhanced fat breakdown. Additionally, cumin seeds can suppress appetite, making you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Now let's see the fifth health benefit. Regulates blood sugar. Studies have shown that cumin seed possesses hypoglycemic properties, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the conditions. Cumin seeds can help to regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. The next health benefit is cumin seeds promote respiratory health. Cumin seeds have been traditionally used to treat respiratory disorders such as asthma and bronchitis. They have expectorant properties that help to remove mucus from the respiratory tract, providing relief from congestion and promoting clear breathing. The next health benefit is it enhances cognitive function. The presence of antioxidants in cumin seed protects brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline and neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Cumin seeds also contain essential nutrients that supports brain health and improve cognitive function. The eighth health benefit is relieves insomnia. Cumin seeds have calming properties that can help promote better sleep. Drinking a cup of warm cumin tea before bedtime can induce a state of relaxation, aiding in insomnia relief and providing a restful night asleep. The next health benefit is support bone health. Cumin seeds are rich in calcium, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Regular consumption of cumin seeds can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis and promote overall bone health. The 10th health benefit is cumin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. Cumin seeds possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and skin conditions like eczema. Now let's take a look on conclusion. Cumin seeds are a versatile spice that offer numerous health benefits. Incorporating cumin seeds into your diet can enhance digestion, boost immunity, aid weight loss, regulate blood sugar levels, and support respiratory health. Additionally, cumin seeds promote cognitive function, relieve insomnia, strengthen bones, and possess anti inflammatory properties. So, start reaping the incredible health benefits of cumin seeds by incorporating them into your daily meals and enjoy their delicious flavor. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.